Hello there. Need to update your prices on your TikTok shop but not sure how. Whether you are running a flash sale, adjusting for codes, or just cleaning up your listings, this video is for you. Let's walk through how to change prices in just a few easy steps. First up, head over to seller.tiktokglobalshop.com and log into your account. This is where you manage everything in your shop, including product pricing. Once you are in your dashboard, look for the Products tab or Products Management section. Click on it and you will see a list of all the items currently in your shop. Scroll through or use the search bar to find the product you want to update. Once you spot it, click on the product name or tap the Edit button next to it. Inside the product editor, scroll to the price section. You will see the current price listed. Update it to your new desired price. Whether you are increasing it or dropping it for sale, make sure to update all SKUs or variants if your product comes in different sizes, colors, or styles. After updating the price, scroll to the bottom and hit save or submit to lock it in. Your new price will go live on your shop immediately or shortly after. If you are running a promo or discount code, you can also set campaign pricing under the marketing tools section. This lets you show the original price and the sale price together. Super eye-catching for shoppers. And that's it. Super quick, super easy. Now you know how to change product prices on your TikTok shop whenever you want.